So, in this video, we will see which jobs are available in cybersecurity. We'll have a look at the average salary of a cybersecurity consultant, and then we'll see what skills does a security consultant need in order to proceed. So you can see these are the jobs in cybersecurity: the systems administrator, network engineer, security auditor, systems engineer. Now we are going to look at each and every job in detail in the next module, but let me give an overview of what these positions are usually doing in the industry. So systems administrator is a person who looks after system modules, protects the security, adjustments, and configures uh, the systems which are present in the company. Network engineer is a one who has excellent background of networking, computer networks. Is sound with all protocols, all what are the all addressing techniques that we have seen, and he knows how to set up a network. Security auditor is a person who usually conducts audits for an organization. We'll see in detail what are the types of audits, how an audit gets performed. Now, in this all security jobs, the third last one, that is the penetration tester. Now, he is a guy actually who has a lot of work to do. Penetration tester basically is you have to test your own organization and by thinking. So penetration tester needs to think like an hacker does. You have to think that you're a hacker, but in this case the difference between a penetration tester and a black hat hacker is that a penetration tester has an authorized access to the system. So that is a penetration testing is very important for a particular organization to determine whether it is sound with its security. So these are the insights about security consultant. I'm sorry for that. About security consultant members, I've got this from LinkedIn. So the median salary, that is average salary for a security consultant, is 87,000, as we have discussed in the last lecture. So the minimum value can be 50 for experienced or freshers, and it can go up to $133,000 per year. So with the experience, you can see. I'll just make on the pointer. You can see the experience here. Now the experience column is 23.6%. I mean, with experience, the salary also increases. So, what does a security consultant need to have skill? It must know how a network works. Then he must be able to know security audits, then vulnerability assessments, how they are performed, how a penetration test is performed, then also about risk management and control. So now if as I have discussed in the previous lectures that the demand for security professionals is increasing day by day. This number is also going to increase because as technology advances, more and more data is going to be stored. Now there is another branch of data, that is cloud security. That now cloud security is gaining much boom in the market. The need for cloud security professionals is on the rise, and there are a lot of demand for those jobs. So you can see this is verified from payskill.com for security engineer salaries. So you can see if you have an experience less than 1 year, like you have just passed out from your high school or you have just passed out from some degree and you know some things about net security, still you can even get around $70,000 per month per year. And this graph is will go on increasing as you get experience. Now this says the security after you get 20 years of experience you get $127, but that is not the case. It also has factors like, see, if you have master's degree in security field or in information protection field, then the average salary goes up to around $120,000. So the job and the salary insights also depends upon your background. If you have a relevant bachelor's degree in computer science and then you have a master's degree in, let's say, cybersecurity, which is a 2 years course, and then you have some experience of 5 to 6 months working as an internship, then your salary may increase, may go beyond $100,000 per month. So it totally depends upon your skills, how you take cybersecurity, how enthusiastic you are to learn the security aspects. Now it's not like that you pass out, you have some basic skills and you will get $120, $120,000 per year. It's not like that. So you need to learn constantly. Since technology is an emerging field, it is your responsibility to keep learning new things day by day, because no tool is used same was no tool which was used 10 years before is now used. There are updates, there are new tools which help in easing the process, but you should get used to them. Now these are some states where the total job postings, as I said, this is a data of I guess 2 to 5 years before. But as you can see, in the Silicon Valley, that is California state, the more number of job postings are there where technology is more. So this data is basically of 5 to 6 years before, like in 2014-15 I guess. But now the demand for cybersecurity is has increased not only in the US but in the entire world. People have become more concerned about their security. So it's a great uh, it's a great pleasure to serve as a security professional. And you might think of now starting why you should learn cybersecurity. So what I will say is, first think if you really want to go into this field. But I'll promise, once you step down in this field, I mean, there's nothing like it. I mean, you get to learn new technologies day by day, you learn new techniques, you get to talk to professionals. Then you have various courses available throughout the industry. You have various certifications which we'll be talking also in upcoming modules. So in short, in one word, if I would like to describe this field, it's incredible. Its cybersecurity is incredible. You have to consider all the aspects, the salary inside, the demand for jobs, then the respect you get, or the job satisfaction is one of the most important part in any field. I mean, you not only cybersecurity, but if you're doing any job, you need to feel get satisfied. Like if there is no satisfaction, then maybe you are in the wrong place. You should think over and over again. So what I'll suggest is, read more forums, blogs, and posts about cybersecurity. Then start learning networking into more detail. I hope our networking module has helped you, and in the next module, we'll get a clear picture of security elements. So wish you all the best till now, and let us meet in the next module.